Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the channel where your favorite game characters turn into colorful drawings right before your eyes. Today we're stepping into the world of Mario Kart, bringing some of the most iconic racers to life with just a pencil and some bright colors. Every sketch will reveal the fun energy and personality these characters carry with them on the racetrack. So grab your markers, get comfortable, and enjoy this creative ride as we draw and color each character one by one. Let's dive into the adventure and make these racing heroes look as amazing as they do in the games. We start with Mario, carefully outlining his cheerful expression and confident racing pose as he rides forward in his kart. Each curve of the pencil helps build his bold figure, capturing his excitement and playful determination on the track. Now we bring Mario to life with his bright reds and deep blues, adding shading that makes his kart look energetic and full of movement. The colors blend together to show Mario in his true heroic style, ready to speed past any challenge that comes his way. Next comes Luigi, sketched with his tall, sleek shape that shows his cool personality and friendly charm. Every detail of his kart and posture adds more life to the drawing, making him look ready for a thrilling race. With greens and blues filling in his suit and kart, Luigi begins to shine with his classic look that fans instantly recognize. The smooth colors bring out his calm but determined racing spirit, making the artwork pop with energetic style. Now we move to Yoshi, beginning the sketch with his rounded features and lively posture that shows his playful attitude. As we refine the outline, his kart and expressive face start to look full of enthusiasm and racing excitement. The greens, whites, and colorful accents bring Yoshi to life with his iconic cheerful look and bright personality. Every shade blends perfectly to show his fun spirit, making him look ready to race forward with a big energetic boost. Next is Princess Peach, drawn with soft, elegant lines that highlight her graceful but adventurous racing style. Her cart and posture slowly come together to show her confident charm and fearless attitude on the track. As we fill in her pinks and soft tones, Princess Peach starts glowing with her signature warm and heroic look. The added color details make her cart shine and give her drawing the perfect mix of beauty and power. We outline Toad with quick round shapes that capture his joyful energy and enthusiastic racing pose. His cart lines connect smoothly, giving him a lively look that matches his fast and cheerful nature. The reds, whites, and bright accents transform Toad into the colorful character everyone knows and loves. The completed coloring makes him look energetic and ready to zip around the track with unstoppable excitement. Now we sketch Bowser with bold, strong lines that highlight his powerful and intimidating racing style. His cart details and fierce expression take shape, creating a drawing full of strength and dramatic impact. The yellows, greens, and fiery shades bring Bowser alive with his roaring, powerful appearance on the track. Once the colors settle in, Bowser looks massive, vibrant, and ready to dominate the race with unstoppable force. Thank you for watching this colorful Mario Kart drawing adventure here on Zoonitoons. I hope you enjoyed seeing each character come to life through both the detailed sketches and the bright, bold color work. Your support means everything, and it inspires more fun art just like this for everyone to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any of our exciting drawing videos. Stay creative, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next artistic journey with even more amazing characters.